Welcome in, everybody. It is Friday, August 26th, in the year of our Lord 2022. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Why does that little fan keep turning? It's like I got a poltergeist in here. Leave my fan alone. Have you ever watched Paranormal Activity 2? Woo. You and Beth went to the movie theater to watch that. And it's like, there's nothing in the movie. Really, they just sit there and on camera the whole time. And there's like two scenes where there's something scary. But friend, let me tell you something. It'll make you like jump out. And I could not literally sleep for like 2 weeks after we came back from that movie. It was just incredible. Oh, I would think that somebody was in my hall. Ken says he is Paranormal Activity. Well, let me tell you something. Watch Paranormal Activity 2. Maybe one. I hadn't seen one or anything, but we went to the theater and saw it, and I was like, oh, it's just weird. All right, so welcome in, everybody. Oh my gosh, we got a sell-off, 2.65%. Well, hoop-de-doo. I don't give a rat's behind about Jackson Hole, freaking Wyoming, or wherever it is, or Montana, or wherever it is that little old pal where they meet. I could not care less. Look at this, y'all. Everybody's going to the Hamptons. You would think with this level of downness, that would have incredible volume. And we do not have incredible volume. Look at this, y'all. 4,800 contracts. Make sure I'm on 2 minutes. Yeah. Every 2 minutes. That's nothing. And we got a very weak AD line, advancers over decliners, which means we got decliners over advancers, but it ain't the lowest of the day. The lowest of the day came, where'd the lowest of the day come? Lowest of the day on AD was actually right here at 1120. See the little red line? So we're getting close to that again. Looks like we're now uplifting just a little bit. Remember, here's how to do this for you day traders out here. You follow AD, then price, then volume. AD, price, volume. That's how I read it. AD, price, volume. So I start down here, my eyes go here, then my eyes go here. That's how I'm reading it. AD going up, price should follow. I'm seeing what volume is doing. So the green volume, see this? Green, low, green, higher, green, higher. Like I know what I'm talking about. Who is moving my dang fan? Y'all did it again. God, it's my witness. How's it moving by a second? So welcome in, everybody. All right, what we're going to do now, let's look at our big green monster, see if this took anybody by surprise. Oh, behave. We got to put it on the E-minis. Let's see if this is surprising or if this is just a regular. It's just a regular fair value move. What happened? Exactly what I told you would happen. Remember, our point of control was up here. Now the point of control has moved down into the fair value zone. We're always looking at the point of control and volume to be a place where we could be gravitationally drawn to. And so we're right here just below the 50% line. We are what we would call fairly priced. This should not shock any one of you. If this shocks you, something is wrong because we know we're fairly priced. Everybody else like, oh my gosh, what did Powell say? We're down 2.65. Don't worry about what Powell says. Who gives a rant? All right? I don't care what Powell said. All right, let's go to our linear regression where this should put it in perspective. This should show us that things are exactly as things should be. Are we surprised? No. We know that we come up to the top. We hit this as resistance, the 200 daily moving average, and we just bounce it back down. Where we're going? Well, I think we're at least going here, right? To around the 39.20. What? Where are you going? I swear, Beth, if you're going to see your boyfriend again, it's over. All right, so she's going down to the 3,900 line. Yeah, why she got to leave 20 minutes early to go pick the kids up? What's the problem? Got 3,500, down here. Who knows? We could go down that far. Got a big old thing here. I think we're going down. So this just feeds into my market opinion anyway, right? That we're probably going down. We're in a bear market. We're in, I called recession. I think we're doing exactly what we should do. All right, so nobody panic. When we see the market down, what's the big word that should come to mind? Anybody got a word? Most people panic, but our word is, what's the word of the day, boys and girls? What? Yes, I've got your keys, Beth. Geez, I didn't take you to raise. Hold on.
Opportunity.
I am a promise. Was that Matt? I am a property. You can't go and see Matt. He's on call with me, Beth. Unbelievable. I don't know what my wife's fascination with man is anyway.
I think we have the word opportunity.
You and Beth have the word opportunity?
No.
Oh. You're talking about the market thing?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you, man. All right.
So Matt's gonna meet Beth at the Dairy Queen a
Up
little
here,
early?
I think they're going to the Piggly Wiggly parking lot.
Oh, okay.
Beth, if you meet Matt in the Piggly Wiggly parking lot, it's over. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, so here, here we are. All right, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna count our losses, y'all. Now, ordinarily, I would not show this because anyone that does classes or anything or teaches or shows stuff on YouTube, they never show you the losses. I, on the other hand, am very open about it. You see everything. So you're gonna see how bad it is today. Let's see how bad our net leaky is today. Hit me with your best shot, baby. 26, 168. Well, I'll be dog. That's not too bad, y'all. 168.02 to be in fact. So we are down just a little bit. 200. Well, dang. Now let's go to the other account. See how much we're over here. This should be bigger, right? Because it's a much larger account. 826.22. See how bad we're doing over here. Oh no. This is really bad. 106.24.39. So we're down 683 there. Now, here's the thing. If I were in both accounts, I would have had 101. Because here's what I would do, and here's why I tell you this ain't that bad. 101.307 and 26.460. Let's add that in. 26. What was it? 26.460. And what was the other one? 101.307 or something? 307. Right. So both counts, these two counts are like what, $127,000 or so. So now what if I was not doing options? If I were not doing options, I would be totally in the SP 500. I'd just be holding it, baby, because that's what I did for my entire career. So I'd be totally in that. So if we were down 2.62% time, 0.0262, we would be down $3,347 today. Well, how much are we down? We're down what, $1,000 or so? Wayne, cry me a river. That's why I'm saying, hey, baby, you know, what's the problem? Exactly. Yeah, we're gonna sell some premium coaches like dude, but let's put on the 111. I'm with you. See this? This don't scare us, baby. I'd be down $3,000 in a regular account, baby, in a 401k, baby. I fear me nothing. So am I down $3,000? No. So we're much better. All right, so what we're gonna do, babe? Remember, let's record our Greeks. The Greeks. This is your first time. I don't know what he's talking about. Some Delta Airlines and Beta babies, and I don't know, man. I got you. It's a little difficult on your first time, right? So you just got to kind of everyone chill out a little bit. Hey, look at this. Hard to say, I'll just do this. I don't know, that freaks me out. Let me just do the Crimson King. All right, Crimson King, 43.23 is my deltas. What does that mean? That means in this account, it's like me owning 43 shares of SPY. That's all it is. Make sure you're beta weighted to SPY. So I own 43 shares. How about that? Kind of cool, huh? 43.23. Bobby, you didn't even put a trade on yesterday. Why are your deltas up? Because price go down, that to go up. Inverse relationship. Now my theta probably exploded too. Right? So see what theta exploded to, 55.85. Let me let Gus in. 55.85. 55.85. Now, already, I know I can't trade today. I don't need to fill in everything, but I like having it all there. Look, this says cannot put on trade. Why? My deltas are 43. My maximum allowable deltas are 39. So it's saying, hey, Tubby, you can't trade, dude. You got too much positive delta. If you did another 111 today, you'd have too much, even more positive deltas. You just can't trade. Now my theta's fine. And I don't know. Let's see about our buying power. Probably exploded too. 81.71. 81.71. So 2 out of 3 ain't bad, right? I have enough buying power to trade. My theta is not above 0.5%, so I can trade. but my deltas are too long. And by my own self-created rule, you don't have to follow my rules, but my rule says, hey, Tubby, you who have zero discipline in your life, you can't even get to our little session on time every day. Why? Because you and Beth are out gallivanting, going to Lowe's, and you're going to the Chinese restaurant that doesn't have worms in the broccoli. We found a new restaurant, by the way. I don't even think they serve broccoli. And then you got to go get you a Baby Ruth with a Diet Coke, Baby Ruth candy bar with a Diet Coke. You know, you undisciplined creature, you. And then you're running late for our session. Hey, so I got to have rules, and the rules say if this higher than this, you can't put on a new tray. Okay, Tubby. Now, is there anything I can manage? Probably not, right? Because we're damn big in the account, but we'll look. Look for a winner to take off. I have positions that are flat or positive J still up over 75%. Yeah, and that's what exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna see, is there something that I could take off? Look at this stupid thing. These stupid put debit spreads that I've got 5 days in on a damn crash like we're having today. Thanks for making me nothing, Jack. Thanks for coming into play, stupid thing. Well, they even got you on there. I don't even know how it's on there to start with. -13, -14, -70, -48, -50. This one was closed yesterday. Yeah! See you, baby. 1116 now 79 18. I got nothing I got nothing I can close. I got nothing. Now, you could say, I wonder if I've got 50% profit on the naked component, and I could take that off and leave it. You could do that, but I don't think we got that at all. Right, 112, 111. That's a 50% loss. I mean, it just looks terrible, y'all. Terrible, just terrible. There's nothing I could do. It's just loser. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do jack squat crap nothing. So I still need to put it in my pipe and smoke it though. So let's try get my little calculator out, my profit calculator. Oh, does it hurt to not put a trade in? Oh, it does. So we're gonna make this day orange. Now remember, for me to stay on track of making 20%, I gotta make about $106 a week. Well, you know, I'm a little less, but I was a little over, double over. So I'm just fine for the month. No trade here. Let's save that puppy. Get rid of him. How did Matt get kicked out? I guess him and Beth was in the Piggly Wiggly parking lot. Let him in. I shouldn't let him back in. Right? Take my wife in the Piggly Wiggly parking lot. I tell you, if Beth ever says she's going to Kentucky, I'm like, oh hell no. Right, here we go. Yeah, you got me distracted. All right, let's put our Greek sin in this one. We know our Greek should have swollen in this one. Right? Kind of like the high school cheerleader who was had everything going on your senior year, and now you look at it and you go, I just can't believe that's the same old gal. Right? Hey, things change, baby. Things do change. Let's see what we got over here. All right. So 97.57. Woo! Did that balloon up like a high school cheerleader? 97.57. My thaders are 130. So there we go. We're over 0.13. Let's see about this buying power. Expand those fully so we can see them, please. Which one? Ed, what can you not see? You can't see this or what?
Yeah, I was just saying on your, when you were looking at your individuals, if you hit the little down arrow one more time, it'll expand them all. We could look as you scroll.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so let's see. What am I at? Yeah, 24,267. Beth, you still here? That's what I thought. 24,280. So we're using 24%. How much can we use? Well, based on a current fix between 20 and 30, we can go all the way up 35%. You know what I see? Opportunity, baby. My deltas are fine. I could be at 150 something. 151, I'm at 97. My theta is not over 0.5, and my buying power is not over 35. This says, hey, Tubby, fire away. Put a trade on. Here, let's go. Here we go, baby. Let's do it. Let's trade the micros. We're gonna go to 56 days. I hadn't refreshed this apparently. There's 56. So no, I gotta figure this out, you know. So if the market's down, what if I buy this and sell this? 38.20, what's 875? Move this one up. Trying to get 10.25 for it, right? There's 9.25, so I can maybe move it right here. 38.60. 38.10 is 9.75. Put me on, baby. Ta-da! Now, because it's down big, I'm just gonna put a 111 on, right? So I gotta find something that I can sell for about 20. Pay for that. So I'm gonna go here, go closer to the mid price. So that should get me. Where's the mid price? I can't see it because of the. Where's the mid price? Is that the mid price? 20, yeah, 20, 25. Let's see if we get the field here. Come here, baby. Feel me. Always be careful going into a grocery store and saying, feel me, baby, especially if you're trading on your phone, because people will file a restraining order against your butt. Hey, we got a field. Look at there. Patience is a virtue. All right. So we're field. There's our trades. Anybody wants to see the trades? We did a 1, 1, and a 1. Now we're going to go put it in on the IRA account. Now, my normal tranche size is 2, but I've been under trading. Why have I been under trading? Because it's been up. So I've only been putting in 1 tranches. And then on these big down days, I've been putting on 3 tranches. So I'm either going to do 2 or 3 today. Let's see what we're going to do. Give me yes. All right, well, I'll make a decision. That's a great down day. 2% down. How can I not put on 3? Let's look at it. Let's go trade. MES for MES. Closest to 60 without going over, it'll be 56. And let's do those same strikes. We did the, I said, we did the 3,500. Looks like we talked about 3,500 on the linear regression chart the other day, or just what we do. We're gonna sell the 3,500 right there for 10.50. Unbelievable. Here we go. 20 for that. 111, and we're going to do the 38.60, 38.10. 38.60, 38.10. So I'm going to buy this and hold your control key down. Keep the control key down. 38.60, 38.10. Beautiful. 10.75. Feel me. 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 No, no, no. We'll make it less advantageous. So 10.75. We'll make it 10.50. $48 in credit. Oh crap, that's only 1 tranche, so hurry before the price changes. Hurry. Back up here. Good Lord. Where's Rick at? Great deep good order. And I'm gonna do 2 tranches. 2, 2, and 2. Come on, fill the same price. Here we go. So everybody fills for 10.50. So I got 3 tranches. And a lot of you will feel you'll feel uncomfortable doing trades on big boobs thing. Forget that. You gotta forget it. Let the numbers guide your decision. Don't let your gut make your decision. Bobby, what if something happens over the weekend? What if? You just can't be that way. You just gotta put your trades in, baby. 10.50. Let the numbers speak to you. So we did 3 tranches, or tranches if you're from Michigan. Or as my daddy said, Michigan. And this is going to be 1, 1, 1, 23rd. Bubba, when I rode my truck up to Kalamazoo, Michigan, that's what my daddy taught. Bubba, he taught me 38.60. 38.10, 3,500. That's 111, 56 days. Look at this nice premium we brought in. What if the market does go down? Then we'll just look at the numbers, figure out if we got enough buying power to put something else on. I'm not going to let some nutcase in Jackson Hole, God forbid, wherever, make my decisions for me. Just not. So I am proactive more than I am reactive. So today is, what do we get there? 10.50. Look at us bringing in $144 worth of premium. So that's 111 23rd. Let's go grouping. Come here, little baby. Everybody likes being in a group. That's why y'all are in trader nerds. It's just fun. Not to be by yourself trading. Don't be isolated. Don't be that person sitting in a cubicle, in the toilet, all by yourself going, nobody understands me, Bob. Yeah, I understand you, baby. I know who you are. Move to group 11123. I know who you are. I know where you're coming from. I eat at the same places you eat. I shop at the same places you shop. I do the same things that you do. Most of the time. All right. Now let's see if I got something we can take off here. Take off a little bitty one trancher of wrist. Look at the hello. Oh, I got a 112.52. Negative 60%. Oh, that's that. Put that up 62. How there? That looks, oh, 65.31 compared to 62. Well, how many days we got on that? 35 on that one. This one has how many days on this one? Look at this, y'all. It's got 35 days on that. How about that? Okay, hey, looks like that's our lucky winner. Hello, ladies. Come here often. We have found the winner. Here it is right here. 112.42. And I really like this because I'm putting on 3 tranches, right? And I'm taking off a single tranche. And I like this, but I'm also taking off 2 contracts of a short put. I'm fine with this. Let's take our little $40. It'll probably end up being $32 or more or less after we take it, but let's get some McDonald's money. Let's put risk on and take a little risk off. Risk on, risk off. Y'all remember the classic, what was it? Karate Kid, not the new one, because Hollywood doesn't realize that, you know, they can make new creative movies. They have to come up with old movies and redo them. I'm talking about the old with, what's his name? Mr. Miyagi. Oh, I loved him. I thought if Mr. Miyagi would just pick me up, put me in the back of a pickup truck, take me to school every day, I'd be a better student. All right, so we're going to buy 2 of the 34 10s. You'll help me remember that. 2 of the 34 10s. I'll never remember. 2 of the 34 10s. Come here, baby. I love Mr. Miyagi. And that's what I try to do with my kids, right? I try to say, take the garbage out. And they're like, Daddy, I won't take the garbage out. I said, if you only knew the skills that I was giving you by having you take the garbage out. And then they'll take the garbage out and they go, what skill is that, Daddy? And I'm like, I really don't know, man. Really not, I'm not sure. Just keep on taking the garbage out. So I hadn't got all the stuff planned like Mr. Miyagi had. Can't get out for 425. Hurt me, baby. Let's go with 450 debit. Got to make it less advantageous. Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Unbelievable. Oh no, are you not getting me out at that? So we may make only $10 on this. That's okay, y'all. Don't worry about it. Let's make a little bit. No, make it down to making only 50% by the time we finish. Phil, hold a minute. Let me just home daddy daddy. Home daddy daddy. Kumbaya, my love. I ain't working. All right, let's go. 475. Thought if I did a little kumbaya, I'd get out of it. Unbelievable. If this ain't feeling, am I doing something wrong? What am I doing wrong? Let's look here. I'm buying what I'm selling, selling what I'm buying. Am I doing something wrong? Or is everybody at the Hamptons already? What am I doing wrong? Normally I'm getting filled by now. Let's go one more time. And then I may just say, screw it. Just leave it on. I'd like to make at least $10 on the trade. Come on, baby. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right. It's been a while since we've had one so snickety, right? Or snickety, or whatever the word is. 112.42, and we got out of it for $5. We didn't make nothing on that. 112.42. 112.42. That's my oldest trade, except for that stupid thing. So we got out here for $5. That ain't bad. We sold it for $12.25. I can take that. $5. So, you know, we're gonna make $25 on 8, 26, 22. We could take the family to Taco Bell back when they had, I remember when they had the 59, 79, 99. Oh man, that's like all I ate for 3 years. And then now you can't get, no. And 2, they have taken the best thing they had on the menu off, and that was the beef Mexi melt. The big beef Mexi melt, which was just meat and cheese. And I think it came with, what would it come on? It came with that pico de gallo, which wasn't worth anything. And I always got it without the tomatoes. Oh, but was that good? Big beef Mexi melt. Now you go through the drive-thru. Yeah, give me a big beef Mexi melt. And they're like, sorry, Papa, we don't have big beef Mexi melt anymore. And I'm like, crap. So good though. 24 points. Got a little bit of profit. Well, it's just still gonna mess us up. Unbelievable. Well, we know it's there. We know it's there. We just don't show it. All right, so we made $164 this week. All right, let's see how our whole month is stacked. See how we do. Let's just do a little siphon. Let's do some Jethro Bodine. Quentin, you know who Jethro Bodine is? Of course he does. Quentin's still with him. Quentin's like, look, Papa, I'm just ready to get to the weekend. Put a trade on. Plus 119.72 plus 164.95. 735.92. What do we have another count? See how we've done so far. Profit calendar. Come on. I did see Quentin in here a while ago. Must have class or something. Oh, he's still in here. He probably just did homework. Hey, and Rick's in here too. Rick, how come you've been quiet today? Rick's probably doing mama stuff. Are y'all still here? Plus 202.90 plus 158.33 plus 144.14 plus 70.16. So both accounts so far, all it's been pretty good off, right? 1311.45. I'll take that. You know, are we setting the woods on fire? No, but we're doing good. One thing to remember, and I think it's really good that you are seeing now, you're seeing the larger count. I've still got plenty of dry powder to put on trades. In the smaller account, you're seeing me go, you know, I got to slow it down a little bit. And I think it's really, really helpful for you to see that so that you know in your account, can you put on a trade? Can you not? It's not the dude at Jackson Hole, Wyoming that tells you whether or not you should be trading. It's quantitative analysis. It's the statistics, it's the probabilities, it's the metrics that you have developed for your trading program that gives you the answers on to whether you should put a trade. You should never get in here and go, well, I tell you what, this weekend such and such could happen. No, you don't think about that. And you don't think about what some gray suit says or what, you know, what Papa says in the White House. You don't care about that, or Nancy Pelosi or McConnell or any of those dudes. Don't care about what they say. Just kind of follow the numbers, baby. Just go with the numbers. Anyone got any questions or comments? Matt, are you still at Piggly Wiggly or have you left yet? I'm just speaking to me.
I'm back at the office.
Back at the office. That was quick. Very quick. All right. No questions then. I will see y'all Monday.